Howdy everyone. The topic for today is about creating accessible Word documents. Accessible documents allow individuals with disabilities to have equal access to the information. Upon completion of this video, you will be able to apply heading structure to your document, add meaningful alternative text for images. A uniform heading structure is often the most important accessibility consideration in Word documents. The best practices are as follows. Organized in logical manner is to make sure headings are properly nested. The figure displays different levels of headings. Heading 1 is usually a page title or a main content heading. It is the most important heading. Heading 2 is usually a major section heading. Heading 3 is usually a subsection of the heading 2 and so on, ending with heading 6 based on the complexity of the information. Make sure headings are created with built-in styles. Do not manually alter the text by applying a different font type, a large font size, bold formatting, and so on. These changes made with font styling will provide visual structure for only some of your users, but the document structure needed for navigation is missing for a wide range of users, especially low vision and visually impaired users who use assistive technology to access information. This slide provides instructions on how to apply built-in heading styles. Select the heading text. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, select a heading style, for example, Heading 1 or Heading 2, also shown in the figure. Alternative text is needed for images in Word documents to provide a non-visual means of representing the content or function of an image. The following are some best practices. Image needs a full alternative text description to convey the information it represents. The alternative text needs to be equivalent and informative. And make sure that you describe images with intent and context in mind when determining appropriate alternative text for images. Alt text for one image may be vastly different based upon the context and surrounding information of the image itself. This slide provides instructions on how to add alt text to images. Right-click an image, select Format Picture, and go to the Layouts and Properties icon. Select Alt Text section. Type text in the description field, as the assistive technology such as a screen reader reads out the information from this field. Finally, we conclude that headings should form an outline. Good heading structure helps in understanding how the document is organized. Alternative text to images should be meaningful based on your reason for using the image and its surrounding context. Here are the references that I have used to build this presentation. You can use them as resources for additional tips and best practices. Thank you.